pronounce GN in an English word? Well, it's a little bit different to French or Italian if you speak those languages, because it depends where it is in the word. So we can have GN at the beginning of a word. For example, gnome or gnat. And in this case, the G is just there to look pretty. We don't pronounce it. It's pronounced N, gnome, gnat. Then at the end of a word, for example, sign, campaign, design, the G is again not pronounced. So you can just ignore it. However, when GN is in the middle of a word, we need to pronounce the G separately from the N. For example, pregnant, significant, designate. So 95% of the time, this is how you will pronounce a word in which the GN is in the middle as part of the word. Now, we also have some words like lasagna, gnocchi that have come into our language. And I'm really sorry, Italians, we just mispronounce them. We just pronounce it with an N, lasagna. Sorry. So I hope this helps you. Let me know if there are any other sounds or words you would like to know how to pronounce.